Begin by opening the Microsoft Authenticator app on your mobile device. Ensure you're logged into your account to start the deletion process. Navigate to the account settings. Look for the security option to find account management features. In the security options, select More Security Options. This leads you to the account deletion area. Find and tap on Delete Your Account. Make sure to read the instructions carefully before proceeding. Confirm your decision by entering the required information. This may include re-entering your password. Once confirmed, your account will begin the deletion process. You'll receive a notification once it's complete. Take a moment to reflect on your decision. Account deletion is permanent and cannot be undone. If you change your mind, you may still have a chance to recover your account within a limited time frame. If all looks good, celebrate your decision. Enjoy a fresh start without the hassle of your old account. Remember to set up new accounts for services you may still need, ensuring a smooth transition. Stay informed. Follow tech blogs for updates and tips on managing your digital life effectively. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more helpful tips on managing your digital world.